Hello, I'm Xucheng Miao. Today I want to show my image processing and computer vision cross project. The topic I choose to show is the improved methods design of image text location. Here you can see this is the four parts of my project process. First, I want to discuss there are four ways to locate the text in the image, and these are in edge-based method, area-based method, and learning-based method, and texture-based method. Also, there are about these four methods. There are advantages and disadvantages. For example, in many pictures or images, there are a lot of non-text edges which will affect the accuracy of the text location. Also, the quality of the image segmentation will make some influence. Also, some pictures may be too complex to tell, and so it cannot get a better result. So in my project, the approaches I will use is to combine the method based on the area and the method based on age to make a synchronized method, design and synchronized method. This is the flowchart of my project. You can see there are about 9 procedures about how I would do the image processing. First, I would input an RGB image and do some pre-process about the image, and then I will use pyramid assemble method to make some pre-process. After doing the pyramid assemble method, then I will do the edge detection. After the edge detection, and the morphology process will be used, and finally use the prior knowledge detection. After the full process, I will combine all of the sub images into the whole image, and connect the relative areas to get my final text areas shoot on the image. I will make some details about how I will do the process. There are total 5 major main steps. First, I will use the method to reduce noise about the image. I will use Gaussian template to smooth the image, and the Gaussian template is export. This is a function or expression about the Gaussian template. After reducing the noise, I will disassemble the images into 3 sub-images, and then I will use pyramid algorithm to enlarge the sub-pictures to the original size and combine whole information of the 4 pictures. Later you will see the processed results. Here you can see the 4 pictures after processed by the pyramid method. This is the original image, and this is 1/2 of the original image processed by the pyramid method, and this is the 1/4 of the original image, and this is the 1/8 of the original image. After doing the pyramid algorithm, I will do the edge detection. specific method I will use is the CROTSU edge detection operator. Here is the 4 steps of the CROTSU method algorithm, how it works. First, to import an RGB image, and then use the function use this function, and finally outputs the results. Here you can see the 4 processed images by the CROTSU map algorithm. The black areas is the surroundings of the original image, and the white area is the edge of the text on the original image be extracted. 4 pictures express 4 levels how the algorithm have done. After using the CROTSU algorithm, then I will process the binary images by morphology method. This is the results output by the morphology method. This result you can see is have a even deeper process. This is the procedure flow about the binder morphology method. First, choose the binary image and obtain the connection area, and then find the boundary of the connection area, and finally output the separate areas and combine all of the areas into the text areas. After doing the above 3 methods, then I will use the prior knowledge to finish the last steps. About the prior knowledge, we know some edges of the text are obvious, but the difference between words and settings are apparent. Most of the texts are horizontal or vertical, even though a little bit slope. The size of the text are without some limited areas, and the height of the text will be not over the whole image. The text areas have some texture features. It is helpful to locate the text areas. This is a result done by the prior knowledge method. Here I make a summary about the above and the previous mentioned 4 methods. After doing all of the previous process, I can get the final result, which is the goal of my project I want to get. Here the picture you can see is the final output image. The left side of the picture is the original picture I chose in the process of my project, and the right side of the image you can see is the final results processed by my algorithm. Here you can see the text of the text part of the original image has been circled out, and the other parts of the original make unchanged. This is the ideal outputs we want to get. Okay, And here you can see my program's interface, running interface. Here the part is the original image and the final results, and this area shows the intermediate process. Now I will run my project program to show how my project runs and doing the image processing. I use MATLAB. This is the source code of my program. I define many functions about how to doing the process. Here, now I begin to run my program. After running the program, you can see the interface. Now I click the import an image button and choose the picture I want to process. Now you can see the original chosen image displayed on this area, and then I do process. Now you can see after a few seconds, now you can see the final result output on this area. This is the final result. You can clearly see the text parts of the original image has been circled out, and the other parts remain unchanged. About the left side, the right side of the interface, I will show you the intermediate process done by the above previous mentioned 4 method. First, I do the pyramid method, the original image, and this is the 1/2 processed image, and 1/4 of the original image, and 1/8 of the original image. All these 3 images has been processed by the pyramid method. After doing the pyramid method, I will show you the edge detection method to make a further process. After using the edge detection process, you can see the black settings express the surroundings of the images, and the right part shows the text parts of the original image. And except the first image is the original image, and the other 3 images has been processed by the edge detection method. After doing the edge detection method, then I make further steps. This is morphology process. And finally, I use knowledge prior method to do the even deeper steps. And after using all of these 4 methods, and I will combine all these 4 intermediates and combine all of these 4 intermediates into to get my final result. And this is the final result I want to get. Okay, that's all. This is the total of my project, and I choose an original image and get my ideal result. Thank you.